What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my video, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to organize tickets in a custom view in Zendesk. Now, custom views help organize tickets based on specific criteria. So in this demonstration we're going to create a view for high priority tickets, and in order to do that we will go to our admin center. After that we will go to workspaces, we will click on views. We will click on Add View. We will select a new name for our view. In this example, we're going to say High Priority Tickets. Description, you guys can select whatever description you want. Now, for the sake of this tutorial, we're just going to keep it as any agent. We will go to Conditions. We will click on Add Condition. We will select priority is high. Okay, and we will go ahead and create a second condition. So what we can create is status category is open. Okay, and then we will continue here. We will select status category is pending. For our requirement, what we need to ensure is already selected is subject, requester, and assignee. However, you're free to go on and add whichever other columns is necessary for your view. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, guys, and please don't forget to give this a thumbs up, click subscribe, and let me know in your comments if there is any specific tutorial you would want to know about Zendesk. I'll see you guys in the next one.